Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to make another batch of sandalwood incense, and it's a really nice fragrance. And the official fragrance is vanilla bean, sandalwood, and musk. It's just really nice. It's not straight sandalwood. It's got that vanilla in it, which adds a little bit. It almost kind of smells like a little bit of chocolate in it almost. So anyway, it's a really nice fragrance, and there is the vanillin in it, but it's only 1.5%, so it's not that bad, and it really doesn't cause too much discoloration. So I've already mixed in my kale and clay, my colloidal oatmeal, my oils, my butters, my lye, just mixed in my fragrance. I'm not going to stick blend the fragrance in. I'm just going to go ahead and gently stir it in, and then I will stick blend all of the colors. And for this one, I decided to use dark chocolate from BeScented, and then titanium dioxide, and then some activated charcoal. And with the dark chocolate, I decided to put some titanium dioxide in it to make it kind of look more milk chocolatey than the real dark chocolatey, and I was really happy with how the color came out. So anyway, I'm going to mix and then pour, and then I will be right back. Alright, and so I did my traditional chopstick swirl on the inside, and then I did a little bit of fancy swirling on the top, and really happy with how it came out. Thought it came out really, really nice. And then when we get to the cut, I was super excited with the cut. I think the colors came out well. I think the swirl came out well. This was in the mold for 24 hours. I made it yesterday morning, and I'm cutting it this morning, pretty much the same time, so a good 24 hours. And just super excited with how the design came out. I think it was kind of light and delicate, and I really like what I did with the dark chocolate color. It made it more of a milk chocolate mocha. It looks a little bit gray in the camera, but that's just the lighting. But anyway, so if you want this fragrance, this is the Sandalwood Incense, and this is on sale at BeScented from September 15th, 2018 until supplies last, but either for usually about 10 days. And you can get 16 ounces for $10, so it's a great chance to try this out for soaps. This would be a great fragrance for candles. I need to add this to my to-do list for my wooden wick soy candles. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified every time I've got a new video coming out. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.